Hello guys, I'm back. I'm sorry for the delay. I've been very busy this past few days, and I've been shooting weddings on the weekends. I've been trying to collect my files. I've been trying to edit other stuff. I have other vlogs sliding behind this series, but I can't move on unless I upload all of the files for this 10-day New Zealand trip. This is a part 2 where we're going around northern, semi-northern of the South Island part. We haven't finished the whole island yet. This is the day when we arrived to Mount Cook. We arrived there late. I went out for a walk at night. It was really dark, and I tested my headlamp. I had got the Black Diamond Storm headlamp. It was really good. This is not sponsored, by the way. Also, we went everywhere. We were everywhere. We did a plane ride to the glacier. So, yeah. I just told you what's gonna happen. But anyway, just check it out, and I hope I can finish all my backlogs so that way I can move on to new videos, because I have new things in mind. If you're looking at this video, if you're looking at this episode years and years or months and months after, there was a long gap of me uploading some videos, but I'm trying to catch up now. Yeah. Check out the video. This is the Black Diamond Storm headlight. It's good, but if I pump up the power to full, there you go, that's the full power. So it reaches a few meters away. Oh, love this. Look at that. But regular lighting is that. So I'm out here in the dark trying to get a good spot, because I'm gonna try to take a photo of the stars now. Yep. I wonder if you can see me. Yeah. Good thing there are no snakes here. But it's kind of cold today. I'm wearing 2 jackets, one soft shell and one, what you call that? Stuck down jacket. Okay, so I'm trying to look for a good spot here. That's a good house. I'm gonna try to look for a good spot, because I'm gonna try to take a photo of the Milky Way, but I don't know where I am. Rabbits. I don't know if you can see them, but they're rabbits. Let me go near them. Yeah, rabbits. There you go. Good morning, guys. It's a good day today at Mount Cook. Last night I went out to hike. It was really cold. I hiked somewhere there, and then took some photos of the stars in the mountains. And when I woke up, I just realized that damn, my balcony has a view. And it's a really good view. I could have placed the camera here and did the photo from here, but I had to walk all the way there, put on double jackets, put on possum glove, but this view is really good. This hotel, the Hotel Hermitage, it's quite an old hotel. It's quite outdated, but the only annoying thing that happened to me was people upstairs were so noisy. They were stomping their foot. I think it was a kid playing around. So it's kind of annoying. I had to contact the front desk, the reception, to inform them that they're noisy. But other than that, it's good. It's fine. So let's check out the view again. There you go. Okay. We're gonna do some hikes, and we're gonna go around the place today. So but we need to take a shower first. I look like shit. Okay, just got off Hermitage Hotel. We're heading to the glaciers now. We're gonna go a day trip, and just gonna go around the place for now. Waiting for the flight later. So excited. I don't know what to think, but Yep. Day drives. Okay, guys, that's Mount Cook up there, and this is what I've read. There's a hut there somewhere. Yeah, it's called the Empress Hut, and that's where the adventure hikers go. Like, it's on a snow. Okay, you hike all the way there and you stay there for the night. That's really awesome. By the way, I'm here at the information center, and it's also nice here. Look at that. It's an old hut. It has a lot of information there. So every time you go to places, don't forget to go to the information center just to learn more about the place. I'm learning a lot right now. Yeah. Huh? Kapi ka naman lahat. Di na mako. Tulo ka oras na.
Ha?
Tulo ka oras.
Adoon ang tanato mo. I-press ka. Dali ako Carvalho. Wala hat. Tawag mo Carvalho. Pero ubus na ang valley good.
Aston 3 hours eh?
Kani kay Aston pa na yun.
Aston lagi. Now the information sa front. Like this one, so I'm gonna go use that one. If you look over there, you can see Mount Cook. Changed it. There you go. So, yep. So we're rocking up here at the airport for our glacier flight. Heli and plane. So excited. Okay, let's check. It says no drones. Of course, it's an airport. No drones. Yeah. Heading to the plane now. Yep. The plane has landed. Engines ready. Heading there now. And the pilot left us. Yep. Pilot left us. We're still here. Bye, plane. Bye. Laura gets to sit in the front and at the back. Awesome. So she goes up front. And we're off up to the mountains. So we're taking off right now. Heading to Lions now. Let's go. Ooh, yeah. Great spot over there. I don't know if you can hear me. The plane's so noisy. Look at that green awesome part there. And that's the dried up Tasman glacier over there. It's slowly receding up the mountain. That's it. Up there. Nice. That's the Tasman right there. Damn, we're heading up. Wow. Look at that. Ain't that beauty? Glacier landing is awesome. Wow. Look at you. Gonna be on that helicopter later. We're gonna be on that helicopter later.
Here we go, guys.
Or
Scouting.
scouting for what?
No, I trekked 2 days. Just
Two-
to get here.
The glaciers. Yeah. Nice. Well, if you trek 2 days, I was on a plane, and that landing was awesome. Yeah, we landed. Nice.
Hey, I didn't know your fan club was coming.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Bunch of girls coming.
Good, isn't it? Yeah. That'll be,
So
yeah.
it's really cool up here, yeah?
I thought she'd finished here.
But I got double jacket.
Nice. Cool. Okay. Oh, I must be heavier because when I step, it's much deeper. Jumping up here. Oh, the ice is getting in. Ice is getting in. Not too far. No, that's still. No, that's still the same. Yeah.
They're just coming around the old mountain here now.
Just playing with the snow again. Stop playing with the snow. Don't poke the snow. Yeah, yeah. Don't poke the snow. So we're currently here right now at the Tasman Glacier. We were on that seaplane up there, and we're gonna be on a chopper later, on a helicopter. So it's my first time to ride on a seaplane, and then on a heli again. It's my first time. Yes, Laura? Yeah. Yep. Heading to the heli now, Laura. Let's go. Okay. Done here. Okay, you're in too deep. Cause you're in too deep and the cha. Okay, I guess the video's running too long right now, so just check out for part 2 of our Mount Cook adventure. See ya guys next time.